Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the add and subtract multiples of 10 worksheet and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will talk you through the answers to the add and subtract 10s worksheet. So for the first question, calculate the missing digits in the calculations below. So in both of these calculations, we need to find out the missing number of 10s that have been added or subtracted. We don't need to think about the ones digit here because the ones digit stays the same when we're adding multiples of 10. So we know that 2 add 0 is 2. So we don't need to do anything with our ones digit. And we've also got 22, which is our starting number here, shown with base 10. So 2 add something equals 6. 2 tens add something tens equals 6 tens. 20 add something equals 60. You could work this out in plenty of ways. You could count on from 2 until you get to 6. I'm going to count on by adding my base 10. So I've got 2 tens, which is 20, and I'm going to count on until I've got 6 tens. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 tens all together now, which is 60, and I added 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, which means 2 tens, add 4 tens, make 6 tens. 22 add 40 equals 62. Now for the takeaway. We need to find out how many tens we need to take away to get to 5 tens. We start with 7 tens. Now remember, we don't need to think about the ones because this stays the same when we are adding or subtracting tens. 7 take away 0 equals 7. And I've got 77 drawn out here with my base 10. So I've got my 7 tens. I'm going to count back and cross one out each time until we get to 5, and then I will see how many I've crossed out. So 7, 6, 5. I've ended up on 5 tens, and I crossed out 2. 7 tens take away 2 tens equals 5 tens. 77 take away 20 equals 57. The next question then. Chloe had 36p and was given another 40p. Circle the correct calculation. So this is an addition. To work out the correct answer, we can count up her money that she had to start with and then count on in tens. And we know that she had 36, 10, 20, 30, 5 and one more, 36. Now we're going to count on in tens. So 36, 46, 56, 66, 76 pence. So I'm looking for the calculation underneath that shows she has 76. Well, it's C, because 6 ones add 0 ones makes 6, and 3 tens add 4 tens makes 7 tens, 76. The final question. Guy has 73p to spend, and I've drawn it here. Use the digit cards to show what he could have spent at the shop. Now remember, the ones digit is not going to change here. We've got 3 ones, take away 0. Well, 3 take away 0 is 3. So we need to use one of our 3s in this column, in our ones column. That leaves us with 3 and 4 left to use. Let's put 3 in our tens that we're taking away. 3 tens. So we're doing 7 tens, take away 3 tens. Well, I have the money to work this out, so I'm going to cross out 3 of my tens. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4 tens left, which is the digit I have here. So there we go. 73 take away 30 equals 43. Now it asks for 2 possible calculations, so we can also do this another way by swapping over our tens digits. So again, we're going to put 3 in our ones because 3 take away 0 equals 3. That leaves us with 3 and 4. So this time, I'm going to put 4 in my tens column for 40, 4 tens. So this time, we're going to take away 4 tens. Look at the picture. I subtracted 3 tens in the last calculation. If I subtract one more, that will be 4 tens in total. And that leaves me with 1, 2, 3 tens as the answer, which is my digit card here. 73 take away 40 equals 33.
That was an answer explanation video for the add and subtract multiples of 10 worksheet. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.